The simplest liquidity run strategy. For a sell model, price will start by accumulating highs and lows kasona, then break highs and create market structure shift right here. Then lana ila uzofuna ukubona khona i-fair value gap or point of interest, then ulinde for i-price ukuthi ibuye, then uzosela khona utarget ama-lows wakho. Then for i-buy side, i-price izo-accumulate already break i-low, then i-shift i-market structure, then la uzobheka i-fair value gap or i-point of entry, then uyayilinda ukuthi ibuye bese uyayibhaya into i-buy side or i-Asia high, niyabona njengoba ngivezile la. So lena i-market structure shift to the downside, then the market structure shift to the upside rather. Then lawa ama-equal lows bese sibe nama-equal highs. So ama-equal lows wabiza ngama-sell side liquidity, siyibiza nge-sell side liquidity, and ama-equal highs siyibiza buy side liquidity. Then qeda kuyimarka i-market structure shift to the downside, or we can say sell side model. Then lena i-buy side model, nayithola. Then ngizonibonisa yona ema-chartini. So le indicator le eniyibonayo i-session indicator, mawuyisearcha ibizwa nge-FXN Asia range, Asia session range, njengoba ngivezile la. So ngizonibonisa ama-example wakhona la. This is the first one, awe. And that's a wrap. So ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe nisize sikhulise le channel, awe.